Hey, I'm Ashley. Obviously, I just posted my first video. I write music, and I figured, why not? I'll put them up on YouTube. Some of my songs. One of them, I don't know. I need to come up with a better name. But for right now, It's an RRAP. What should I think? There was nothing but a blink. Trying to line this, nowhere to sink, but nowhere to go. Let's just stop the flow and take a step back. Just breathe. There's only a negative. Gotta make a positive. This ain't match. Follow the path. Love. Nothing but a word. No feelings attached to something absurd. The world is nothing but a nation. Government improvisation. Just fool's gold. Just not so old. Just a pothead, not head. Nothing but a bird. Flying in the sky. It's not a bad enough for sale. Life's a test. Do your best, give it all you got, but then you get shot. What now? Take a bow. You are who you are, you can't change it. You don't get far. Now sitting at the bar, dreaming about life could have been, should have been. What should I do? Just think, don't blink. Life flash, train cast, persevere through whiplash. Kick your feet up, sitting in the chair. Oh, look, Snow White's eating the pear now. One foot, then another. Not trying to worry about each other's sex. It's got no passion, pulling in, pulling out, no strings attached. You're made of your hoe, now what do you know? She's sitting in the street all alone. Drugs, keep popping the pill. No, no, just chill. Then you blink. No, I told you not to. Then you find out I was the one that shot you. Shit. What do? You shriek, you freak. What now? I don't know. It ain't my life. It ain't my problem. What about rape? Wasn't meant to be. You can't help it. You gotta deal living with the sorrow and pain you can't heal. Now you're confused, frustrated, anger flowing through your veins. Nothing's the same. You're trying to cope, but then you tried to fuck. That didn't help. You try to follow the stars. You try to pray. Don't look this way. My name is Ashley Faye. Look at the bright side, light side. And if it don't work, follow your friends. What's the harm? You already failed A through Z. Now look at the bumblebee flying. You start to recover. No more holocaust. The grass grows greener. Not a country girl. Not a city girl. Not a hippie girl. Not a ghetto girl. Not a flower girl. Not a gangster girl. Just me. Thanks. You can comment if you want.